Hi everyone, my name is Mila and I'm going to demonstrate to you the phenomenon at Chichen. Okay, this happens at the pyramid of Chichen or El Castillo. Okay, what happens is that during the spring equinox, which the Mayans use it to indicate the start of their planting season, the sun will rise directly east to set west. As that happens, there will be a state of shadow around this tone. And what happens is, okay, maybe we have the light on. Okay, as you can see, triangles start forming from the top of the staircase. Okay, as the sun descends, more triangles will start forming, and altogether 7 triangles will form towards the bottom of the staircase, where it will join towards a certain head. Okay, this phenomenon will let the Mayans know when to start planting their staple food or corn. Okay, this step actually takes us 19 degrees north. Okay, so with this indication, the Mayans can actually use it to indicate the start of their planting season for corn. And more to it, there's also stairs at the side of the pyramid, and each step is equal to 91 steps. Okay, if you add it up together, it's altogether 304. Plus one additional step at the top of the pyramid, which is equal to 365. This corresponds to the number of days in the solar calendar. And from there, you'll probably think that Mayans are actually very, very good astronomers, and they indeed are very good astronomers. And from there, they use their knowledge of astronomy to find out days in the time of the year to actually start with their planting season and their harvesting season. Okay, as you can see here, all this represents the different days where the sun will rise. See, from the first one you will see it's the 16th of July, which corresponds to the start of the Mayan New Year. Okay, as you go on to the 6th of September, you will be able to see all 9 triangles of light as the sun is setting. Okay, from the 22nd, this is at the fall equinox. There will be 7 triangles which is visible during sunset. Okay. As we move on, there will be the 9th of October. 6 triangles will be visible between 4 to 4:30 p.m. before sunset. Okay. As we move further on, we'll be on the December of 21st, it's winter equinox. Okay. This is when the north and east sides are in total darkness, while the west and the south side are in daylight. Moving on the 5th of March, 6 triangles will be visible from 4 to 4:30 p.m. This corresponds to the date 9th October. Okay, further on the 21st of March, which is the spring equinox, 7 triangles will be visible during sunset from 4:30 to 5 p.m. Okay, this corresponds to also the fall equinox on the 22nd of September. Okay, moving on the 6th of April, 9 triangles will be visible from 5 to 5:30 p.m. Okay, all possible triangles are formed during this time. And lastly, on the 21st of June, which is the summer solstice, okay, the south and the west sides are in total darkness from 7 to 7:30 in the morning. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate to you what happens during the spring equinox on the pyramid. Okay, as you can see, 7 triangles are formed on the northern side of the staircase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so as the sun starts to set, the triangles seem to move upwards, which gives an illusion that the serpent is actually moving downwards towards the bottom of the steps.
Here we go.